أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله
تمارين أجيب عن الأسئلة الآتية. كم مدرسا جديدا جاء؟ How many new teachers came? كم مدرسا جديدا جاء؟ جاء 5 مدرسين جدد. جاء 5 مدرسين جدد. 5 new teachers came. كم طالبا وجد المدرس في الفصل؟ How many students did the teacher find in the class? وجد فيه 25 طالبا. He found in it 25 students. لمن الكتاب قصص النبيين. Whose is the book? قصص النبيين. لمن الكتاب? Who is the author? لمن الكتاب? Who is the compiler? لمن الكتاب قصص النبيين. هو لفضيلة الشيخ أبي الحسن الندوي رحمه الله تعالى. هو لفضيلة الشيخ أبي الحسن الندوي رحمه الله تعالى. It is by Fazilatul Sheikh, Honorable Sheikh Abul Hasan Nadwi, Abul Hasan Nadwi, Abul Hasan Nadwi, Rahimahullah Ta'ala. May Allah Ta'ala show mercy to him. May Allah Ta'ala show mercy to him. Rahimahullah Ta'ala. كم صفحة فيه؟ كم صفحة فيه? How many pages are there in it? فيه 90 صفحة. There are 90 pages in it. كم صفحة قرأ الطلاب? How many pages did the students read? قرأوا 53 صفحة. قرأوا 53 صفحة. They read 53 pages. بكم اشترى المدرس الحقيبة؟ بكم اشترى المدرس الحقيبة? For how much the teacher bought the bag? اشتراها ب80 ريالا. He bought it for 80 riyals. ب80 ريالا. For 80 riyals. ب80 ريالا. اشتراها ب80 ريالا. المدرسون في الفصول. اقرأ الأمثلة اقرأ الأمثلة الآتية لجميع المذكر السالم. Regular, masculine, plural. Here check. Al-mudarrisu singular. If you are adding waw noon, then it becomes plural. So any noun, if you add waw noon at the end, if it becomes plural, then it is called Jamul Mudhakkar Salim. Means regular or sound masculine plural. Sound masculine plural. Al-mudarrisuna fil fusuli. Al-mudarrisuna fil fusuli. The plural is regular, but whereas this plural is irregular. Al-fusul, fasl, al-fusul, classes. The teachers are in the class. Aina al-muhandisuna. Where are the engineers? Aulai tullabun mujtahiduna. These are hard-working students. Haulai tullabun mujtahiduna. These are hard-working students. Aina Ahmadu wa Abbasun wa Yasirun. Where is Ahmad, Abbas and Yasir? Hum ghaibuna. They are absent. Mundu usbuaini. Since 2 weeks. Ghaibuna. Ghaibun, ghaibani, ghaibuna. Those who are absent are called ghaibun. Ya'budul muslimuna Allah. The Muslims. Al-Muslimu, al-Muslimuna. Al-Muslim, al-Muslimuna. Al-Muslimuna. Muslims are worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ya'budu. Abada ya'budu. To worship. To worship. Ya'budul muslimuna Allah. Haulai tullabu. These students. Hunudun are Indians. Hindiyun. Hunudun. Hindiyun. Hunudun. It's plural actually. It's plural. Haulai tullabu hunudun. Indian citizens. Indian. These students are Indian. Wa ulaika Pakistaniyuna. And those students are, those are Pakistanis. Mudarrisun. You have to make it plural. Mudarrisun, mudarrisuna. Because it's regular plural, very easily it can be made. Muhandisun, engineer. Muhandisuna, engineers. Muslimun, muslimuna, Muslims. Kafirun, kafiruna. Those who disbelieve, reject the God, reject the faith of Islam, kafiruna. Ghaibun. Ghaibun, the one who is absent. Ghaibuna, those who are absent. Mujtahidun, hardworking person. Mujtahiduna, hardworking persons. Muminun, a believer. Muminuna, believers. Salihun, virtuous, good. Salihuna. Ikrama Eli. Ishruna Taliban. Ishruna Talibatan. See, I told you in the lesson itself, Ishruna, Thalasuna 30, Arbauna 40, Khamsuna 50, Sittuna, Sabuna, all these are called ukud, tense. These tense, always you will have the madud as mansub and also singular. It may be masculine or may be feminine. Both are possible. So even if you are counting the masculine nouns or feminine nouns, so it won't change. Ishruna remains same. Ishruna taliban, Ishruna talibatan. 20 boy students, 20 girl students. Sittuna taliban, Sittuna talibatan. 60 boy students or girl students. Salasuna taliban, Salasuna talibatan. Sab'una taliban, Sab'una talibatan. 70 boy students, 70 girl students. Arba'una taliban, Arba'una talibatan. Arba'una 40, taliban boy students, girl students. Samanuna 80, taliban or talibatan, boy students or girl students. Khamsuna 50, taliban or talibatan. Tisuna taliban, Tisuna talibatan. These are all called ukud. In English you can say tense.
لبيك اللهم لبيك 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 اللهم